Hello and welcome to yet another very interesting episode. And this episode is going to be a bit different from usually what I make. So today is basically I'm going to show you something which is for instance decision making. So what is instance decision making? Uh, it can be useful for traders. It can be useful for swing traders, even for momentum investors. So let me show you this particular trick, which is related to volume. So all of us know that the basic, uh, rules of volume. What is that? So for that, let me share my screen and let me show you. But in the meantime, I have a disclaimer that whatever the stocks I'm going to show you here today are not buy, sell, hold recommendation. I do not provide any buy, sell, hold recommendation on the open platform, complying the regulatory requirement. And whatever I'm going to discuss in this particular video, or I have discussed in all of my videos, are mere for understanding and sharing knowledge. So if you have any call, any intention to take position in any of the stock, you can take your own call or can discuss your registered advisor. Okay, so let's proceed. So the basic norm, what we know, that is price is moving up, volume is also moving up, and it depicts that there is there is enough support for the price movement. So people are relying upon this price movement. So this uptrend is reliable, strong. When price falls, and also volume falls. Similarly, there is a faith in the downside, or let's say there is enough participation in the downside. So this is strong downward trend or reliable downward trend. When price rises, but volume does not participate, does not uh, go in tandem, price volume falls, then uptrend is doubtful. It happens often sometimes when price moves up, keeps on moving up for s- continuously for a few days. After a certain point of time, after a certain price movement, you may find volume is basically uh, thinning out. And same for the price falls with volume falls. That means the downward trend is doubtful. So there is a possibility of any turnaround. So this is the basic norm. Everyone knows. I need not to explain these further. But what I'm going to show you, that is very easily available to all of you. But many of you, I'm very sure, are not acquainted or have not looked into it. So one segment in the money control is called money volume shockers, right? Money control volume shockers. If you go over there, it will take you to this particular page. Let me show you. It will take you to this particular page. This is the data of volume shocker. Correct. Now, what my intention is to show you to shortlist some stock. How? Not just based on whatever money control is giving me here. There's a small link. Many of you, I'm sure, that ignored this one or overlooked this one. This is called find your own price shockers that fulfill your search criteria. I can even zoom it a little bit so that you can have a look. Find your own price shockers that fulfill your search criteria. You can put your own parameter here. Now let me put my own parameter here. What I'm trying to do here, see, exchange BSE NSE. I took BSE, no problem. Price, you can take it from 1 rupee also, but does not make sense. I made it from 100. Average volume over percentage change in volume. It means average volume means the latest, sorry, the average volume for certain number of days. Average volume of, you can check the drop down, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, 30 days, 1 day is also there. So last 30 days, what I'm taking last 30 days average volume, and what is the percentage change in latest volume. What I'm trying to do, that last 30 days average volume was whatever the number. Now my current volume must be 50% more than that. I hope I could convey you. So what I'm trying to convey you, that my latest volume is 50%. You can put your own number. You can make it 100% also. Latest volume means last volume which this particular screen is capturing. So last volume must be 100%, 2 times more than the average last 30 days volume. So this is something I'm going to find out. Also, I'm putting another criteria, that is volume must be more than 10,000. Uh, must not be less than that. Okay, let me make it 50,000. Let's find what happens. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So here is the go. Let's try to find out some of the stocks. Here is the list. Okay. Here is the list. The list is still significantly big, where latest volume is, you can easily see, latest volume is more than double, or at least double, or more than double of the previous 30 days average volume. Now let me capture this data. You simply copy it, because I could not find any link to download it. So I'm simply copying this particular data, and let me put it here in this particular Excel sheet. I put it here. Just remove the hyperlinks. If you are using Windows 10 and above, it is possible. Means yes, not Windows, that is the Microsoft Word, to 2013 onwards it is available. You can remove the hyperlink just by right clicking on it, and here is the data. Right, now what I'm trying to do, just a moment. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here, see, volume is double to last 1 month's average volume. Fine. But parallelly, your stock price has also jumped 20%. So where stock price has jumped, then I have limited scope of taking position over there, isn't it? So you can ride a running bus, but it's risky. Your risk reward is often not favorable. In this case, what we can do, we can further filter this particular data. What we can do, let's find out smallest to largest of the percentage change. But for all the cases, I'm sure that volume is more than double. Latest volume is more than double to last 30 months, last 30 days average. Now, where price has fallen, I'm not interested. I'm looking for some opportunity where price has not moved, but volume has moved. So motive is to find out stocks where volume has significantly increased, means public interest is there. Maybe institutional interest is there. I'm not sure. Institutional interest or public interest is there, but there is no uh, price surge as such. So that region is our target region. So see here, all these are in negative, but not significant. From Sinclair Hotels, we can have a check. Sinclair Hotels to here 1%, 1.5%, 2%, Sapphire Foods. So यहाँ तक, this is a zone which you can have a check separate. So these data will obviously change from day to day. So traders, swing traders, and even momentum investors can have a look at it. This can be very interesting. So one stock I can see here, VIP Industries. I in one of my recent past video, I think last 10, 15 videos back, I have discussed on this particular stock after speaking to the management of the company. And my motive is to throw you some light on the current Bangladesh situation, I mean, the then Bangladesh situation. That was the first set of means unrest happened in Bangladesh, and at that point in time, I've spoken to VIP Industries management of the VIP Industries, and the lady, I cannot recall the name. She's the CEO of the company. She told that uh, things were not that severe. Only like whatever their Bangladeshi operations are there, that is managed by their of Bangladeshi people. Bangladesh employee, Indian employees are all withdrawn. I can still remember. So why I'm saying, because the stock was falling for last few days, but please don't consider it is as a buy a hold or sell recommendation. So Bangladesh situation is known to all Indians today. So it's very vulnerable, and companies who are exposed in Bangladesh are in deep trouble. Now, in that backdrop, I'm not sure whether the management is switching their operation to India. There are 8 facilities, VIP Industries, 8 facilities are there in Bangladesh. So, how they will make the transition from there to India, I'm not sure about it. So, that can be an area of interest. And why why despite price is flat, why uh, so much volume is developing in this particular stock, I'm not sure about it. This is something we can look at. Similarly, we can have a look in these stocks where uh, price movement is minimal and volume has surged quite a lot. So you can add your technical know-how into these stocks to find out if something is cooking in the stock, or you can ride a rally in this case, because this will give you some additional uh, confirmation in terms of volume, has been what has happened here. So I hope you find this video informative and helpful for your trading or swing trading, or for momentum investing. For momentum investing, you need to add little more sugar into it. So need little more study what the company does, whether there is any immediate trigger. So that sort of uh, identification, that sort of understanding in the stock can be helpful for you. So I hope this video was informative. You may you can uh, it can add some, I could have added some value to your investment or trading journey. So if you really find the video helpful, you please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for this type of informative value added videos, keep on giving me support, and let's meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, request to all of my viewers. So that is it in this particular video. Let's meet in the next video very soon. Thank you so much.